Pressed the wrong button last time. That doesn't matter though. Hello guys, Taco G here. Last time we went over functions. But if a function is their func name equals function. Let's remember to parentheses. This one go blue. If it doesn't go blue, it's not good. Or if it doesn't change color, then it wasn't good. Or it's just whatever you're using. And for the function name, you have to do like alert. It'd be like stuff. And then you have to actually call it. Parentheses too. Won't work. One thing I forgot to mention about functions is that every line has to end with this, the semicolon. Like normally, where you just do something like var being edge, and on the next line var fid. You wouldn't have to put semicolon. Just the semicolon. It's easier for it to read it. No, in a function, if you don't put the semicolon, then it won't read it. Period. It will not move to the next line. It will just kind of it won't even do it. It just sees it as absolutely nothing. So in functions, you always end with a semicolon. Also, I promised that we were going to go over functions, parameters. And what a parameter is it's just like a thing and it does stuff. And okay, so let's say we have variable function equals function. So name function equals function, and let's say you want to print out something called, let's just say alert name. You don't even have a variable for name. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna fill that out with? Nothing. Just there's nothing there. There's no name variable anywhere. What you gonna do? You done grunt. Well, what you're gonna do is you use a parameter to fill it out. So a parameter goes inside of this, and I name the parameter name, or maybe like n or something, but I'm gonna keep it name for now. Then when I run the function, I can't just say function. I can't just straight up run it like that. Also, I think I'm gonna change the name to look like function. There we go. So, it'll work. I don't even know. I have no idea. There we go. So functional. I can't just call it with no parameter, because the function is made with a parameter, because that's what's inside the parentheses, a parameter. You can make multiple parameters by putting a comma and then like another parameter. Let's say like a lat, or I don't know. So I have a name parameter, so I can't call it with a name parameter. So I have to put something in to fill in for name. So the parameter can change at any moment. It's like a variable, but specifically for the moment the function is called. So if I said Jones again, and when I call it Jones, because that was the parameter. So if I call it again, this time with something like Greg, then it'll say Jones, then it'll say Greg. It lasts for the time that the function actually runs. And that's what's great about functions with parameters, because what I could do instead of just setting this right now, I have a prompt. And the prompt would be name. So it'll say name. It'll be like Clooney. I want to spell it. And it'll say after that. Okay, please. Or I could be like prompt name plus space plus Jones. So everybody's last name is Jones. If I run it, it'll be like name, then like a I or something, I, and be like Kai Jones. Bam, that easy. So, or maybe I don't even have to put the plus right there. I could do it right here. So it's name plus space plus Jones. It's the exact same thing. So that's functions with parameters. And this has way more uses than we've gotten to right now. Next time, we will go over for loops and how useful they can be, because they are useful and very much useful.